A long jumper leaves the ground at an angle of 20 degrees above the horizontal at a speed of 10 meters per second. How far does he jump in the horizontal direction? Now, before we've derived the range, we can find the range of a projectile by saying that the range is equal to the initial velocity squared times the sine of 2 times the launch angle. 2 times the initial launch angle, all over gravity, which is the acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared. Now, this can be derived by finding the individual time component using this equation and then plugging it into the x component. And then you use a few trig functions and then you get this. And this is a very simplified way of doing this instead of having to go through all that trouble. So now we can just plug everything in. The initial velocity is just 10 meters per second, so 10 squared times the sine of 2 times the initial launch angle, sine of 2 times 20, all over g, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. And then this simplifies to 100 sine 40 over 9.8. And then if you plug this into a calculator, you should get that is equal to about 6.56 meters. And that is how far the projectile will go.